In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a folder in Outlook, step-by-step tutorial. If you've ever deleted a folder in Outlook by mistake, don't worry. Folders and their contents are usually kept together so you can bring them back quickly. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way so you can restore your folder and get back to work. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're in your mailbox, look at the folder list on the left side of the screen. Scroll until you see deleted items. This is where Outlook sends folders and messages you remove, and it preserves the folder structure so your subfolders and emails stay grouped. Click Deleted Items to open it. Now take a moment to look for the missing folder inside deleted items. Folders appear in the list just like your regular ones. Often with a small arrow, you can expand if they contain subfolders. If you have a lot of items, move slowly down the list so you don't miss it. When you find the folder you want to recover, hover over it to make sure you've selected the right one and confirm its name looks familiar. Next, right-click the folder. If you're on a touchpad, a two-finger click works too, and on some devices you can tap the three-dot more icon next to the folder name to open the same menu. You'll see options that let you put the folder back where it belongs. Choose Restore to send the folder right back to its original location, keeping its messages and any subfolders intact. This is the fastest choice when you simply want everything returned exactly as it was. If you'd rather place the folder somewhere else, choose Move Folder instead. That option opens a picker where you can select the destination, which is helpful if you're reorganizing or the original spot isn't where you want it anymore. After you select Restore or complete the move, glance back at your folder list. The folder should reappear in the location you chose with all of its contents in place. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to update or collapse and expand the parent folder to refresh the view. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Deleted Items, find your missing folder, right-click it, and pick Restore for the original location or Move Folder to place it exactly where you want. With these steps, you can recover a deleted folder in just a few clicks and keep your mailbox organized.